Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandy and today we are back with another advent calendar unboxing. This is another K-Beauty advent calendar. It is the 2023 Stylekorean Christmas Beauty Playlist advent calendar. Before we start, can I please ask that if you're new here to please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, because that way you'll be notified of all the upcoming advent calendar unboxings. This is actually the first time that Stylekorean has ever released an advent calendar, and I am excited to see how this one compares to the Yes Style Advent. They are both, of course, multi-brand advents, and they're both K-Beauty advent calendars. Now this one is valued at over 900 AUD and retails for 240 AUD. It contains a total of 26 days and 26 full-size items. This calendar is called the Christmas Playlist and has a cute musical design theme. So unfortunately, given the shipping delays from their end of getting this to me, everything has already sold out. So unfortunately, you can't get this one anymore. And by the time I got it and reviewed this, both the pre-orders and also the regular sales had already sold out. But I will actually link some other advents that you can still get your hands on below. So hopefully you can get your hands on an advent before Christmas. So let's start with the first day. We have the full-size Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun Rice Plus Probiotics SPF 50. Now this one is 50 ml and retails for 30 AUD. This is a gentle and organic sunscreen with SPF 50 protection. It's also enriched with 30% rice extract and grain-derived probiotics that deeply hydrate and nourish your skin. So I have actually used this one before and absolutely love it. I especially love that it leaves no white cast. On day 2, we have the full-size CosRx, the Vitamin C 23 Super Vitamin E Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Now this one is 20 grams and retails for 35 AUD. The serum is packed with a highly concentrated 23% pure vitamin C. So I really like that this one is meant to help fade acne scars and hyperpigmentation. I love CosRx products and I can't wait to try this one. Day 3 and we have the full-size Tokobo Cotton Soft Sunstick SPF 50. Now this is 19 grams and retails for 35 AUD. This is a chemical and mineral sunscreen stick which contains evening primrose flower extract and jojoba seed oil. So I have never actually tried sunscreen sticks before, but this one is supposed to have a very nice soft matte finish. I also love that it's vegan and cruelty-free. Moving on to day 4 and we have the full-size Jumiso All-Day Vitamin Brightening and Balancing Serum. Now this one is 30 ml and retails for 27 AUD. This serum is enriched with vitamin C, hyaluronic acid and chamomile extract. So I haven't heard or come across Jumiso products before, but this one is supposed to be super lightweight, so I am excited to try this. Next up we have day 5, which is the full-size Round Lab Birch Juice Moisturising Sunscreen. Now this one is 50 ml and retails for 36 AUD. This sunscreen has a non-sticky essence texture and contains Vita Hyaluronic Acid. I've heard so many great things about this sunscreen moisturizer and how it balances and brightens your skin tone, as well as improving your skin's elasticity and firmness. On day 6 we have the full-size Rom&Nd Glasting Melting Balm in the shade Nougat Sand. Now this one is 3.5 grams and retails for 17 AUD. This is a vegan lip balm that's enriched with argan, rosehip and evening primrose oils. This shade is actually so gorgeous and it has a dewy finish. I really love the shade that they've included in here because it's usually my go-to color. Can't wait to try this. Day 7 is the full-size Torriden Dive-In Serum Low Molecular Hyaluronic Acid. Now this is 50 ml and retails for 40 AUD. This is a deeply hydrating serum that soothes your skin. This is one I've tried before and it's an incredibly nourishing serum. It's also clean and vegan. This one is definitely a cult favorite. Moving on to day 8 and we have the full-size Abib Airy Sunstick Smoothing Bar. Now this one is 23 grams and retails for 46 AUD. We have another Sunstick, and this is a waterproof organic formula with a semi-matte finish with no white cast. This is another chemical sunscreen, and I really like that this one is waterproof. I am keen to compare this with the first one that we received. Day 9, and we have the full size Anua Heartleaf 77% Soothing Toner. Now this one is 250 mils and retails for 40 AUD. This toner helps soothe sensitive skin and maintain the oil moisture balance of the skin. This is another product that I have tried and love already, and it is honestly the most soothing toner I've ever tried, and it's no surprise that this is suitable for all skin types. On day 10, it is the full size Kahi Wrinkle Bounce Multi Balm. Now this one is 9 grams and retails for 52 AUD. This balm is honestly a very iconic product. The balm has an anti-aging benefit and can help stimulate collagen production to restore elasticity to the skin. It also helps prevent makeup from drying and caking and can also be used as a lip balm. It's no wonder that this balm has a cult following. Next up is day 11, and it's the full size Dinto Blur Finish Shadow in the shade Jane Austen. Now this one, it has 6 shades and retails for 42 AUD. This has a very soft matte texture that glides on smoothly on your skin without any clumping. I love the 6 colors that we have here. It's a very universal palette. On to the halfway mark, and we have another Round Lab product. It is the full size Birch Juice Moisturising Cream. Now this one is 80 mils and retails for 38 AUD. This cream is a gel texture and is incredibly moisturising as it contains Hyaluronic acid. The hydration on this one also lasts 48 hours. Day 13 is the full size Pyeongkang Yul Essence Toner. Now this one is 100 mils and retails for 21 AUD. This is a hydrating toner formulated with hydroxyethyl cellulose, arginine, and astragalus root extract to enhance skin texture. This brand is actually one of my favorites, but I haven't had time to try their Essence toner. I do like that this one has a gel texture though. On day 14, we have the TFIT Cover Up Pro Concealer. Now this one looks like it has 3 colors. Yep, it has 3 colors, and this one retails for 28 AUD. I like that this has 3 colors, light beige, natural beige, and dark beige, and the coverage is insane. So this is actually the TikTok viral famous concealer. I'm super excited to try this one out. Moving on to day 15, and we have the full size Heimish Marine Care Eye Cream. Now this one is 30 mils and retails for 39 AUD. This eye cream is infused with marine ingredients that improves elasticity, wrinkles, moisture levels, and skin tone. This is such a lush eye cream, and I really like the cute little applicator. Day 16 is the full size Benton Fermentation Eye Cream. Now this is 30 grams and retails for 45 AUD. This highly concentrated eye cream diminishes fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes without causing irritation or sensitivity. This definitely sounds like a very promising eye cream, and I've been looking into more anti-aging products, so this will be a great addition. Next up we have day 17, which is the full size Be The Skin BHA Plus Pore Zero 30-second exfoliator. Now this one is 100 grams and retails for 27 AUD. This has a mix of AHA and BHA and gently removes dead skin cells and purifies pores for smooth and clear skin. I am always a fan of pore minimizing products, and this one contains aloe vera and fruit extracts, which keeps the skin moisturized whilst exfoliating it. Day 18 is the full size Nineless B-Boost 10% Niacinamide Serum. Now this one is 30 mils and retails for 25 AUD. This serum minimizes pores, improves skin texture and elasticity, and reduces dullness. I love that this one has niacinamide and vitamin B. This is a really nourishing serum. On day 19, we have another Beauty of Joseon product. This is the full size Glow Serum. Now this one is 30 mils and retails for 28 AUD. This serum is infused with 60% propolis and 2% niacinamide to fight inflammation, control sebum production, and treat hyperpigmentation while keeping moisture levels high. I actually really love that this has a thick honey-like texture to the serum, and it does not leave a sticky after feeling. Moving on to day 20, and we have the full size Rom&Nd Blur Fudge Tint in the shade Burnt Orange. This is a beautiful shade and an easy to blend lip tint, and it retails for 17 AUD. I like that this has a long lasting matte gradient finish and it does not smudge. On day 21, we have the full size Tokobo Glass Tinted Lip Balm in the shade Flush Cherry. This is a really cute lip balm and it retails for 21 AUD. This is a highly pigmented tinted lip balm and has concentrated sunflower seed oil and olive oil. Something really interesting about this one is that it actually has an exfoliation effect to get you smooth and moisturized lips. It looks so cute as well. I can't wait to try this one. We have day 22 and it is the full size Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel. This is 50 mils and retails for 40 AUD. This sun gel is actually also a sunscreen as it is SPF 50. It's infused with hyaluronic acid, ceramide, Centella asiatica extract, and fig fruit extract. It's looking like we have a lot of sunscreen in this advent, but this one is a very lightweight gel texture, so I kind of like that. Onto the final stretch, and on day 23 we have a full-size Mary and May Vegan Peptide Bakuchiol Sunstick. Now this one is 18 grams and retails for 48 AUD. Another SPF 50 Sunstick, and this one has 25 different peptides and promotes collagen production. So this is another Sunstick. It's the third one from this advent calendar. I'm just confused as to why we're getting very similar products. Moving on to day 24, and we have the full size Heimish Smudge Stop Mascara. Now this one is in the curling style and it actually retails for 12 AUD. There's actually two types, and this one is in curling and promises clump-free lashes that last all day. I also really like that this one is meant to be smudge proof. Second last day, and we have the full size Dr. G Red Blemish Cream. Now this one is 70 mils and retails for 51 AUD. So this is a cream that is designed to relieve irritations. I actually really love that this one comes in a gel-like texture and it provides moisture whilst soothing sensitive skin. On the last day we have the full size Belif the True Cream Moisturising Balm. Now this one is 10 mils and retails for 15 AUD. This is a deeply hydrating cream and is also meant to detoxify your skin. Okay, so I'm sensing a theme that this advent is all about hydration and sun protection. So what did we think of this year's 2023 Stylekorean advent calendar? Let me know in the comments below. Personally for me, I think this is a great attempt for Stylekorean's first advent calendar. But there was a lot of repetition, like we had 3 sunsticks, 3 sunscreens, 3 hydrating serums, 3 hydrating creams, 2 toners, and 2 eye creams. I personally think that there could have been a little bit more variety, maybe a little bit more makeup or something. But if you compare this to the Yes Style Advent Calendar, I do feel like that one was a lot more variety. As I mentioned earlier though, unfortunately due to shipping delays, this one is fully sold out now. But I will go ahead and link other Advent Calendars that you can still check out below. As always, thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I will see you in the next video. Bye!